This is Olga. In this video, we'll talk about storyboards. Let's take a closer look at them. What are they? You can find files on the left navigation panel. Here we are. For now, we need Main Storyboard. It has a yellow icon. Make sure you choose Main Storyboard, not Launch Screen Storyboard. We need this one for now. By default, Main Storyboard contains screen which is shown when you first launch Simulator. So if you open Simulator, you see a Main Storyboard content which is empty screen now. Storyboard is a file tab which is used to work with an interface in a graphic way. You can also do interfaces from code, and Storyboard is a way to work from Interface Builder. Right now you see the window of Interface Builder. Here it is. And Storyboard is an XML file. You can see XML code. If you go to the file in Navigator, choose Main Storyboard, right click, then Open As, choose Source Code. And if you're familiar with XML, you will see that it's just XML code. It is not recommended to edit it because it is for robot, not for human. Then let's go back to our mode, Open As, Interface Builder, and we see our screen again. What we can see right now, don't see it, let's press. We see now a view controller. A view controller is every new screen in the iOS application. I want to add new components to Storyboard now. And for that, let's go to Object Library. It is in top right corner, a square inside circle. Click on it, and you see Object Library. We don't need yellow one for now, because it is for new view controllers, and we're not going to create new screen now. Let's scroll to the bottom, and you see many different components. We also don't need components with a square in the background right now. There are containers. So let's choose just simple elements with simple names like label, or maybe button. Choose any you like. Just drag them to add element from Object Library to screen. Press on it and then drag to the screen. Okay, let me add on the switch also. So let's now run this application again. What I can do, I can press Command R, or I can also go on the top left corner and press Run button. And after I run, I see my result. It is not an empty screen anymore. We have all the components I added in Storyboard in our simulator. So screen from Interface Builder is now here. What is important to know? Take a closer look on the bottom of Interface Builder. View as iPhone XS. Here I can choose device which I want to use, and it may be any of iPhones or iPads, it's up to you, or it can be, and also you can choose a similar device here on the Run panel. You have the same choice. Just make sure that the device here, View As, and here in the Run panel are similar. Because if you choose different, for example, here you will choose iPhone XS, and here you'll choose, I don't know, iPhone 5S. When you run, you may see screen mismatch. For now, we don't use auto layout, and the screen size are different, and some components may not be shown if you have different screen types. So let's wait for a while. Here are our iPhone 5S, we don't need XS, iPhone 5S, our storyboard, and you may see what we don't have a button element here because the screen is smaller than XS. We can see now two different simulators, and they have borders like real iPhones. You may change this. For that, go to Window and uncheck Show Device Bezels, and you will see just a screen without any frames. So for the end of this lesson, just try to end any of elements and then run and make sure that they are shown on your simulator screen. If they don't, make sure that you have a similar device on the interface builder and the run panel, and try that again.